Hi, my name is Shenwa Kinyelu, lead consultant GODP. The GOS Financial Reporter is basically a financial reporting tool that brings all aspects of financial reporting into one click. And we are up with Module 1. The setup module is one of the major modules on the GOS Financial Reporter. The setup module of the GOS Financial Reporter is used to configure financial reporting formats required for recurrent financial reporting needs. The module is actually made up of a couple of sub-modules. We have the currency module, the company module, sub-module, general settings, exchange rates, account types, report registry. There also are subs of profit or loss registry, other comprehensive income registry, financial position registry. And we have the general ledgers mapping, the budget, and we have the exit. These are the major sub-modules under the setup module. We'll take them one by one and we'll learn how to set up the modules together. The first one we'll be talking about is the currency module. The currency setup is used to configure the reporting currency of an entity. To configure the currency of an entity, the following steps would have to actually be taken. The first thing is to come up here to currency, navigate to setup, click setup, and when you're on the currency tab, click. This prompts a dialog box which requires information about the new currency you're about to set up. And all you would have to do is come to add, click add, and this brings out this dialog box. You would have to set up the currency code and type in the currency description. For example, let's set up the USD, which is the US dollar. So, to set this up, we'll type the USD, which is the currency code, and we'll type in the US dollar, which is the full description, and we'll click add. The moment you click add, it auto-saves and you will find the US dollar as one of the currency that you can use. And that is how to add a new currency into the setup module. Other things you can do with this, the second one here, which is the sub-module, is the company sub-module. The company sub-setup is used to configure a reporting entity. To configure a reporting entity, we would have to follow the following steps. The first thing is to come to setup, navigate to company, click company, and this box comes out. To add a new company, click add, and this comes out with this dialog box. What you would have to type in here includes the code, the currency code, and the company code and the company description. By the currency code is a simple and very shorter way of identifying the company. So let's assume an example of AZE, which is for Astute Zealous Enterprise. So AZE will be the currency code, AZE. And the description of the company will be Astute Zealous Enterprise. And you click the add button and click save. And immediately this saves and you can see the new company setup here, AZE, and the company description, Astute Zealous Enterprise. The next sub-module on the setup module is the general settings module. The general setting module has the following information that will be required for the one-time setup on the GOS Financial Reporter. We have the run date. The run date is the reporting date. We have the run company. The run company is the reporting company. So in here, you will see the AZE company that we created a couple of seconds ago. AZE is now one of the run companies, meaning one of the reporting companies. We have the parent company. Since this is actually a financial reporting software that can do consolidation, one would have to set up the parent company for the group. So in this example, we could set any of these companies as the parent company. The NGN, the local currency here is the currency of the reporting entity. In a situation where you are preparing financial statement for an independent entity, the reporting currency will be the currency of any of those companies you are reporting for. And in a situation where you are doing a group financial statement, the local currency will be the reporting currency of the parent company. Let's assume it's NGN here. The report divisor is the approximator. It actually approximates. You can prepare your financial statement absolute, in thousands, in millions, and this is where you set that up, the report divisor. And we have the group. In here, wherever you see the group, it signifies the group name in case of a group account. And you will have other things here, financial statement variable part. This is the format for the IFRS financial statement which needs to be saved in an appropriate format. For example, this particular one has been saved in this format on desktop. The management reporting variable format is the format for the monthly management report which needs to be saved in an appropriate format. This could be saved in any of wherever, on desktop, on the C drive, on document, wherever you would like to save this. And when you have saved these two file formats, it will be the basis of preparing your financial statements and monthly management reports in Excel. So whenever you click report subsequently, it reports what you have in the neutral balance in a financial statement right using your Excel, Microsoft Excel format. And when you're done with setting all this up, you click update. And the moment you click update, it saves all that you have set up and you click OK. The next sub-module is the exchange rate module. This exchange rate tab is used to configure rates for conversion from one currency to another for groups that has entities' financial statements in multiple currencies. To configure the exchange rate tab, we would have to follow these following steps. The first thing is to navigate to exchange rate, click exchange rate, and to set up a new exchange rate, click add. This will be converting another currency to the reporting currency of the group company. So say for example, the reporting currency of the group company is NGN. And the subsidiary that we are going to consolidate uses the USD. So what we would have to type here, it will be the USD. So we can just come down to USD. This means the USD is being converted to NGN, which is the currency for reporting for the group. Now, the date maintained means the date of conversion, the reporting date. So let's assume that our reporting date is 31 December 2014. So we would have to set this to December and set this to 31. So you can type 31 and set this to 2014. And let's assume the exchange rate is 100, i.e. 100 naira to $1. And we'll click add. The moment you click add, it will come up with this question to ask you if you would have to save or you would like to save what we just typed, and you would have to just click OK. And automatically it saves it in. The report registry. This sets the framework and the arithmetics of different reports required from this software. The registry could either be uploaded as a text delimited file or added one by one by clicking Add on the Registry tab. The Report Registry tab is composed of three subcomponents: Profit or Loss Registry, Other Comprehensive Income Registry, Financial Position Registry. For this demo, we will use the upload approach, and we would have to follow these following steps. The first thing is to navigate to the report registry, and let us assume we are uploading the financial position registry. So we'll come to financial position, click financial position registry, and this comes up with this. We can clear the record here to do a new one. I have set up a sample report registry in this folder called the Statement of Financial Position Registry. I can actually open this as an Excel file, and this is made up of this following subheadings: the financial statement position, which is the category, and the asset class, then the types. And this is actually shown right here. So when we put our cursor very close to import, it will tell us basically what we need to import. We'll have to import the reporting caption, and the account type, the parent caption. To import it, we'll have to click the import. We can close this that we opened a couple of seconds ago. We are not saving. We can click the import. From import, we click on the Statement of Financial Position Registry, which has been saved in text delimited. And we'll click the My Data as Header. What this does is to make the header, the title header, the first row, the title header, so that it doesn't form part of the data that will be imported. So we click this and click OK. This comes up with this dialog box, and all we would have to do if we are okay with this is to click Close and click Import Data. The software automatically tells you the number of data you are importing, and we click OK. And this brings in all of this data. The reporting caption, which is the caption you would like to see on the financial statement, the caption, the account type, and the parent. And this is how you import the registry. The registry is now the basis of the arithmetics, the additions that you would have on the statement of financial position, the statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income, and all other statements that you will have in the financial statement. The next sub-module is the general ledger module. This is a one-time configuration that sets the general ledger definitions. This could be uploaded in two ways: import as text delimited file or added one by one. The first thing to do while doing this is to set up the GL in the following arrangement on MS Excel: GL code, GL description. We can open an example from our file, our sample file, which is the GOF file. So we've set up a GL mapping here. Let's open with Excel. Set up your GL in the following arrangement on MS Excel: GL code, GL description, financial statement caption, and financial statement subcaption, which has been called the note level here. Save the setup on MS Excel as text delimited in any location on your computer. Then click Setup on the software. From Setup, navigate to GL Mapping and click. From GL Mapping, click on Import. And the moment you have import, navigate to the registry, to the GL Mapping registry. and click on the registry and click open. A preview dialog box comes up. Click this dialog box and the software automatically shows you all of those things that you are importing into the software. All we have to do now is to just click close, and the moment we click close, we will have the GL mapping set up immediately. As simple as that. Or the second way to do this is to actually add one by one. So what we have to do from here, whenever we want to add a new GL code, is to click add, and from add we will type the new GL code, the description, the caption, and the sub-captions, which are already pre-populated. So let us add an example. The GL code of the new GL we are setting up is 10000, and the description is asset in position. The caption, which is the financial statement line, is, for this example, is prepayment. And the sub-caption is prepayment general. I will click add, and we can save the record by clicking save. The last sub-module, which is the budget module. This tab is used to upload an entity's annual budget. And to do this, we'd have to navigate to budget and click each of the budgets. Each of the budgets, we have the financial position budget, the profit or loss budget, and the other comprehensive income budget. To do this, we'll navigate here and click any of them. Let's assume we're actually bringing in the financial position budget. We'll click this and we'll import the data by clicking on the import tab. When you click on the import tab, this you can actually add one by one. Say for example, you click the add button and you add each of them one by one. Say for example, you have property, plant and equipment. The name of the company is GOF and the budget year is 2014. So you can click and say property, plant and equipment is as expected to be 100,000 each year without change. Each month without change, sorry. And at the end in December, we expect it in the budget to. From here, we click add and it saves the budget. So this record will be used for the monthly management report subsequently. Thank you very much. This is how to set up on the GOS Financial Reporter.